In today's tutorial, I will show you how to hide all error values in Excel with conditional formatting. When you work on Excel worksheet, sometimes you may find there are some error values such as division per zero error, reference error, name error, value error, and so on. They are caused by the formulas error. Now you would like to hide all these error values in the worksheet. How could you solve this task quickly and easily in Excel? The conditional formatting function in Excel may help you to hide the error values. Now please follow this instruction step by step. Select the data range that you want to hide the formula errors. In the Home tab, uh, in the Styles group, click the Conditional Formatting drop-down list and select the new rule. In the New Formatting Rule dialog box, please select Use a formula to determine which cells to format under the Select a Rule Type section, and then enter the following formula into the uh, format values where this formula is true, is error, open a bracket, type A1, which is the first cell within your selected range, and you can change it to your need. Then click the format button to go to the format cells dialog box, and then choose a white color for the cell font under the font tab. And you need to select a font color as the same as your background color. If your background color is red, you need to choose a red font color, and then click the OK button. Again, click the OK button to close the dialogs. All the error values have been hidden at once, as you can see. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.